Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Xampp and Visual Studio 2022 installed and running. Launch Xampp Control Panel and start Apache and MySQL now. This creates your local server. Open Visual Studio and ensure the ASB. NET web development workload is installed so the IDE has web debugging. If you plan to edit PHP files, add PHP extensions, or use the PHP Tools extension. Once done, create or open your web project and point the project to Xampp htdocs as the web root so Visual Studio and Apache share the same files. Now configure the project to use the Xampp server. Change the project's web root to c/xampp/htdocs or your chosen virtual host directory. Edit launch settings. JSON or project properties to use an external web server rather than IIS Express, setting the application URL to http://localhost 80 or your custom port. Make sure file permissions allow editing. Then attach Visual Studio's debugger to Apache's PHP process or use the PHP Tools extension to enable step-through debugging. This provides breakpoints, variable, and finish by testing your site in the browser. Visit http://localhost or your virtual host and confirm pages load and MySQL connections work. If you use pretty URLs, configure a virtual host in Apache and add the domain to your host's file. This prevents path mismatches between Visual Studio and Xampp. Make sure Visual Studio has appropriate permissions. If debugging or file sync fails, restart Apache. Restart Visual Studio as administrator and reattach the debugger. One key troubleshooting tip. Check Apache error logs for port conflicts and PHP errors. They reveal configuration mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.